सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्द मार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
Friends, today the world has changed so much that we have forgotten the meaning and definition of ideal. Today we have mentors who are those people who live in fake or show-off world, and following them, we also accept this world. Whereas in our Indian culture, there has been so many great personalities who made world bend in front out of respect. Still we leave such great personalities and make our mentors to such people who are running rapidly behind Western culture.
Vicky!
Yes.
Hey, what are you doing, guys? Why are you wasting water? We are not wasting water. We are enjoying.
Oh, enjoy.
That is alright, guys. But at least clean this mess. Otherwise, somebody will slip on it.
This is not our work. This is janitor's work. Got it?
Yes, I know that. And he had done his work properly too. But you guys have messed it again for your enjoyment, right? So now I think it's your duty to clean it.
Anand, at my place, I have not even taken a glass of water. And you think I will clean all this mess? Are you mad or what?
Hey, Arman, come on, let's take a bath. He always talks like this. Come on.
Yes, bro.
Let's go.
Okay, kids, note it down.
Arman, look at my pen. It's worth 1,000 rupees.
Look at my pen. It is imported. When Papa had gone to Singapore, he bought it from there, specially for me. And you know how much it costs? 5,000 rupees.
What are you saying, my friend?
And look at my watch. Papa got it from Dubai.
Hey, wow, you're so lucky, Arman.
Anand, have a look. Arman is having such an awesome pen. Do you know? It is worth 5,000. I wish even I had such pen. I would have loved to write with it.
Come on, Vikas. A pen worth 5 rupees or 5,000 rupees. We'll get marks for our writing only. So what's the point of such a costly pen?
Yes, friend. You're absolutely right. Does that mean 5,000 waste?
So kids, did you note it down?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Hey friends! Today you all are invited to my birthday party. My Papa has arranged for a grand birthday party and that too in a swimming pool hall. So let's
Wow.
meet in the evening. Okay?
Okay.
It has been always seen that few people out of show off spend money to buy something whose result is equivalent to their cheapest alternative product that is available in market. Still, it doesn't matter to us because by now we are immune to such fake life and we always want to stay ahead in it.
Hey Anand. You're not ready yet? Are you not coming for the party?
Nobody. You carry on.
Why?
I have to go out for an urgent work, that's why.
Okay, fine. As you wish. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, uncle.
Good morning, my son.
Good morning, uncle.
Good morning. Good morning, son. Good morning.
Hey, walk fast. We are getting late.
Why are you pushing me?
What are you doing, Vicky?
Hey, what are you doing, kids? Walk properly. If something breaks, I have to answer the authorities. I might lose my job too. Got it?
This won't happen. Even if something breaks, I will pay for it. Hey, come on, Anand.
Very strange, kids. Don't understand at all.
So kids, our today's theme is Mother. And every one of you has to draw a painting related to it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, then start drawing.
Hey Arman, yesterday's birthday party was really awesome. It was such a big party and you had invited the whole school, right? You might have spent too much.
Not much. Just 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs? And above that you gave us costliest written gifts too.
I still have to give return gift to some friends. Once this period gets over, we'll go and distribute. Okay?
Okay.
Anand, yesterday where have you been? Do you know? Yesterday Arman threw a grand party. Whole school, staff, students, everyone was present.
I had been to my friend's birthday party yesterday.
Which friend?
A special friend.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Uncle. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Uncle. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle. Happy birthday to you.
You had been to an old age home?
Yes, buddy. You know, when those elderly people needed their family members the most, they were sent to an old age home. That's why, whenever I get time, I go over there and meet all of them. They get very happy, and I also get love from my grandpas and grandmas.
Very good, Anand. Next time, please take me along with you.
Okay.
So only 2 gifts are remaining now. We'll quickly go and give, then we'll go back to class. Okay? And remember, hey Anand, your return gift is with me. Please take it.
No, it is not required.
Hey, keep it, friend. Arman's birthday gift party and you do not get a gift? It's not possible.
This is my birthday party's return gift. It's not a normal gift. Please take it.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Uncle,
What happened?
What happened?
Uncle, open your eyes. Uncle, talk to me. What happened to you?
Oh, Uncle! Uncle! What happened to him? Hey, you, please come here. Uncle! Pick him up and take him to the restroom. Be careful.
Sir, what happened to Pune uncle? How did he faint?
Actually, he's not keeping well since many days. He had already given an application to grant him 1 lakh rupees for treatment. And principal had also agreed for it. But he had to go out for a meeting urgently and he'll be back only after 10 days.
But sir, what to do now?
What can we do? Actually, teacher salaries are also not credited yet. Otherwise, we would have contributed something.
Let's do one thing. The kids who are financially strong, we can talk to them once. We might get some help.
But whom should we talk regarding this?
Sir, why don't you speak to Arman? He's very rich. If he'll ask his father for help, he will definitely help us.
Yes, you are right. Do one thing for me. Send Arman to my cabin immediately.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir, you speak to Arman. Till then, I'll try getting some help.
Okay.
Fine.
Arman, Keshav sir is asking for you.
Me?
Yes.
Why?
Pune uncle fell down and got unconscious. So sir wants to talk to you regarding that.
Okay, I'll meet him.
What? What did you say? Pune uncle fell unconscious.
Yes, he suddenly fell down.
Where is he now?
In the restroom.
Okay, I'll go and check him.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come in. Have a seat. Arman, I'm sure you must have heard that Pune uncle has suddenly become ill and he's fainted.
Yes.
And we would require 1 lakh rupees for his treatment. And our principal is also not here. And we are also helpless. So please, can you speak to your father about this? Maybe he can help us financially.
Okay, sir. I'll go to the reception and talk to Dad.
Okay, Arman.
Please take Pune uncle carefully. I have spoken to the doctor.
Sir, this ambulance?
Yes, we have sent Pune uncle to the hospital for his treatment.
And what about the money? Huh?
That's also done.
Oh, really? I'm sure Arman must have done it. Where is he? Thank you so much, Arman. You really helped Pune uncle at the right time.
Sir, my father had refused it. He said he'll not be able to help us. Sorry, sir.
So then, who has arranged the money for Pune uncle?
Anant did it.
What? Anant did it? But Anant, tell me, from where did you get so much money?
Sir, just like Arman's father, my father used to give me 5,000 rupees as pocket money. I've saved that money since last 2 years and today I used it to save uncle's life.
Did you see? He always had more money than us, but in front of us he never showed off. To show off his fake status, he never brought expensive stuff at school.
But when he had to spend that money for others' well-being, he did not even think twice about it.
I'm proud of you, Anant.
It happens many times that to show off our happiness, we spend lakhs of rupees and we find it less. But if somebody asks us monetary help for them, then suddenly we feel that the amount is too big. And this is all because of our show-off mentality. In opposite of it, simple and down-to-earth life living Anand did not hesitate to help others, not even a bit, because simplicity and being down-to-earth only helps us to learn everything and makes our personality even more respectful.